Hi kids, are you ready to draw the yummiest ice cream ever? Let's begin. Draw a little drop-like shape. And now, just keep adding oval shapes. Connect a rectangle. And here we have the cone. Time to give our ice cream a face. The eyes. And a cute little smile. Let's finish with a neat outline. Yes, just like that. Yippee! It's time to color in. Yellow. Then some green. A lovely pink. And my favorite, purple. Orange for the cone. And we're done! Here is the yummiest ice cream ever. Bye kids! Hope you had fun! Hi kids! Don't you love eating yummy popsicles? Let's learn how to draw and paint one today. We will start by making a rectangle. Then draw a smaller rectangle for the popsicle stick. Great! Now draw a cute little heart in the center of the popsicle, just like that. Draw slanted lines across the popsicle. But don't go over the heart. Yes, just like that. Looks great already, isn't it? Let's add an outline. Yes, just keep it nice and neat. Now draw some hearts around because that's how much we love yummy popsicles. It's time to color in. Let's start with a lovely red. Now orange. Some yellow. Just keep painting. We're doing great. A pretty green color. Next is blue, a lovely hue. Time for some indigo. And lastly, violet. We'll paint the stick orange. Some pink for the heart will look great. Don't you think? Let's use the pink for the rest of the hearts too. We're almost done, kids. Here it is, our popsicle. Yummy and refreshing too. Hello, kids. For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. Some purple will be great too. Orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun! Hello, kids! Let's make a delicious and yummy cake. Let's begin! We shall make the candles for our cake first. Draw the cream of the cake. Ooh, love that part the most. Make 2 slanting lines and join them. Make 2 curvy lines in the middle. Let's give this a nice outline. Paint the flames of the candle yellow. Doesn't cake remind you of birthdays? Paint the top of the cake yellow. It's never a bad time to eat cake either. use a little bit of blue and orange for the candle. Paint the bottom part of the cake orange. We're almost there. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little green for the candle? Let's use some purple for the base. And finally, let's paint the last candle pink. And put some dots too. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. I can't wait to gobble it up. Hi kids! What gives you energy and is one of the yummiest fruits ever? A banana! Let's draw 3 bananas. Let's give this a nice dark outline. Time for some magic! Let's start painting. A bright yellow color for the bananas. Leave some space in all the bananas. We'll get to that soon. Did you know that monkeys love to eat bananas? Good! Nice and neat. Now, wouldn't it be awesome to use light yellow for the spaces we left? Blend both the colors well. A little touch-up. We're almost there. Looking good. Done with the bananas. Let's use olive green for the stem of the banana. Color the tips of the banana with an olive green too. Wow! This is making me hungry. Good thing we're done. Our bananas are now ready. Hey kids, look what it is. An ice cream van. Yay! Are you ready to draw it? Let's begin. Start with the wheels. Draw the van and headlight. Another wheel too. Tail light. The window. And the real magic, ice cream. Let's make a roof. Front window. And all the small details. Lastly, the big ice cream on top. This is how we know our favorite ice cream van is approaching. Time to paint, kids. Start with pink for the truck. The color gold will look lovely for the window. And some sparkly silver too. Bright green for the wheels. Some brown too. Cyan for the interior. Sea green for the van roof. Red for the tail light and the roof. Don't forget the headlight. Let's add some green to our roof too. The yummy scoops with purple, golden and red. Brown for the cones. And let's make the big ice cream chocolate flavored. Yum! Light pink for a cone. And done! Look, here goes our van to serve happiness with yummy ice cream. Hope you had fun drawing an ice cream van.